trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for niggas so cheap and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it.
Hey my tinies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I'm literally 4'10" and on my good days I am 4'11". But anyways, if you guys are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome, and I hope you guys can hit that subscribe button down here so you guys are subscribed, and don't forget to hit that bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And I will have my social media links over here, which is only Instagram, so I'm sorry guys. But anyways, with that being said, today's look is going to be on this palette. Now it is a Wet n Wild palette. Now this is kind of like a first impression kind of thing, but first of all, the palette, absolutely love the shades. I love the shades. Like these shades right here, they're so pretty, but I find it a little weird how they did the W and W just here when it says right here as well. I think they kind of just printed it on because it looked plain, but I would have so totally like if they did this Wet n Wild kind of right here. It would have been better. But anyways, now guys, this palette actually retails for $19.99, which is $20. Yes. And if you guys haven't seen this palette, you guys will be mesmerized, I swear, because this palette looks just like this other palette, and as soon as I open it, you guys will know. But now, tell me this does not remind you of the James Charles palette. Obviously it does. I feel like it's a complete dupe for the James Charles palette, but it's super cheap and affordable for anybody who cannot get their hands on the James Charles palette, because I believe it might be a little bit pricey, like maybe 32, 36, but still not too pricey, still a good price, you know. But you know, for the girls over here that can't afford a $30 palette, this is a $20 palette, guys. And I mean, if you check out Wet n Wild, they have like sales going on and everything, so you can get it for like cheaper. But yeah guys, this is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Now I created this look right here using this palette. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then make sure to keep on watching. And yeah, how about we just get started? Alright my tinies, so we are going to start off by using the Wet n Wild palette. Now this palette is so beautiful, I absolutely love it, and it's $20, super affordable for anybody. And we are going to use this very beautiful, like super bright dark blue right here. This blue right here, and we're gonna be using the Morphe M506 brush, and we're just gonna go in circular motions, patting it, you know, and back and forth.
Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. I don't wanna play no games, I don't wanna. Hey.
The next shade we're using is this beautiful this burgundy shade. And we're also going to be using a new Morphe M506 brush, and we're also just going to pat it like right above the blue, but then like half of it onto the outside of the blue. I don't know if that makes sense. So like you want half of your brush to be on the blue and half of it outside of the blue. That way you can get like that nice beautiful blend transition. And as you can see, I'm using circular motions, and this is what I do to like blend out the colors. Just do circular little motions and go back and forth while doing circular motions.
Seeing how you did, homeboy, please take it easy on me. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna play no games. You wanna go home? Hey. Hey.
Now guys, this yellow shade totally impressed me. It came off super pigmented, and honestly, like, it's such a beautiful yellow. Like, it's very pigmented. I mean, on camera you can't really tell as much just because I'm going back and forth, but like it really actually is super pigmented. And as you can see, I'm also going back and forth and doing circular motions just to blend those two shades together. And here, my tinies, I'm using the e.l.f. blending brush. It literally is just called a blending brush from e.l.f. and it's clean. It has no product on it, so we're just using that to blend the yellow. And then, yeah.
Come around and not excited. Through the group of 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and a Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Lost and on, love of mine.
So now here, I'm just actually going back in and just kind of deepen the shade a little bit more. Like the burgundy and the blue. That's all I'm doing, just trying to get it to the darkness or the depth that I want. And yeah, just keep going back and forth with your brushes so you guys can get that nice blend. I mean, blending is key, guys. Like I say in all my videos, blending is totally the key. Like, that is how your look will be amazing if you just keep blending and don't be afraid to mess up. Now here we are using the burgundy shade right just in the middle. I didn't really do much. I'm just patting it in, you know, that kind of stuff, and leaving it. Alright, so the next shade that we are using is like this very beautiful like lavender shimmer, and I'm using my finger to like apply it all over my eye. And as you can see, this look is completed with this glittery purple shade because it just looks so galaxy wise. Now my tinies, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe please, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye my tinies. Mwah.
You a little sweetie, sweet like pallet, sweet like peach trees, like that. I could tell you crazy, but she kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, trying to see that shit in 3D, mommy. I know I get around.